We'll guide you through how to use Keyboard Manager in PowerToys. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for tutorials about using Microsoft PowerToys Keyboard Manager because they want to customize their keyboard to improve productivity. Begin by looking at your computer's main desktop screen and take a moment to make sure everything has fully loaded before continuing. Next, scan the desktop carefully until you locate the shortcut icon for Microsoft PowerToys. Once you find it, place your mouse cursor directly over the icon and double-click the left mouse button. After a moment, the main PowerToys window will appear on your screen. While the application is loading, keep your attention on the center of the screen and wait for everything to finish opening properly. When PowerToys is ready, the main dashboard will appear automatically. From there, move your attention to the panel on the left side of the window and click the section labeled Input and Output. Inside that category, select Keyboard Manager to open its settings page. At the top of the Keyboard Manager page, you will see the Enable Keyboard Manager toggle switch. If the toggle is turned off, click it once to activate it. You will know it is enabled when the switch changes to a blue color. Below the toggle, you will notice two main sections, one for keys and another for shortcuts. Start by reviewing the Remap a Key section to see whether any previous key remaps are already listed there. Click the Remap a Key button to open the editor and explore how both key remaps and shortcut remaps are now combined into one convenient window. After that, return to the previous page and review the Remap a Shortcut section, where any existing shortcut remaps will also appear. Click Remap a Shortcut to open the same editor window and explore its options. Once you finish making your changes, click OK or Apply to save everything and close the editor. After saving your settings, you can test the new mappings immediately by pressing the keys or shortcuts you changed. If something does not work the way you expected, reopen Keyboard Manager and adjust the mappings again until they feel comfortable. Using Keyboard Manager can help improve workflow speed, simplify repetitive tasks, and make your keyboard controls personalized for use.